Calvin. Trying to get my pen. You know my hair looks different because I had my hair.
My hair looks different because I have a haircut and my hair is spiky.
Look at my hair, it's so straight because I had my hair straightened yesterday. Now it's staying straight for no reason. And we're going to be making slime, but we need to dye it with black. We're going to make black slime if we can.
I'm going to make green slime.
No, you're not, because I don't have green pen. So we're going I've got yellow pen if you want to use yellow.
No.
Because there's yellow right here. I'm going to use some yellow and black today. For no reason. I just don't know why I want to. My dog is annoying me. She keeps jumping over our gate.
Do this, Colin.
It's not fun.
Like that, Colin. No. What was that?
Cleo. Oh, it stinks in here.
Oh, paper fell.
It stinks in here. Can you smell it?
What belt?
A pen.
I need black.
Yeah, use black. There's two blacks, so I need a black now. Can I use one of the blacks?
I'm going to
I need a
use...
short black. I need the short black.
No, you have the black. The big black.
I want the big black. It works more properly anyway. After a while it will turn greenish. Calvin, after a while it will turn green. So black will turn into green in a minute. That's why I'm using it, to turn it into green. And I'm using yellow to turn it into really light green. Do you want to have light green or dark green?
Dark.
Darkish. Okay, don't use no yellow then. Don't use no yellow.
You might lose loads of black.
Yeah, use loads of black. But I don't know if it's going to change that colour or not.
We need glue too to make slime.
But we've got clay. So this used to be slime, but it's changed it. It's changed it to clay. We need to add some soap.
Someone has slime at their house.
Oh, Jaden.
No.
Jaden does because his brother exploded. He bit through his slime ball.
Oh. No, I can't draw it. He's drawn it. I don't want to do it. I want to keep it white.
Well, it's not really
I
coming
want to
out.
do it white slime.
White? I can't make white. All we need is glue in, that's it.
Yeah, we always need glue to do slime.
I can make slime at school because I've got glue in school. Because we've got glue in school. Well, this is to make my hands messy, but I have to wash my hands before I go out
can you
tonight.
put that back in the
We're
pot?
going out tonight, aren't we?
Yeah.
To the harvest. I'm going to get an adult meal. I'll get an adult meal.
I don't know what I'm getting yet.
I have no clue what I'm getting. But we're going to Harvester. You might be there. I'm a Cookie Swirl C fan, and I know you're Cookie Swirl C. And comment down below what would you like, thumbs up, and subscribe.
And what do you want to do us? What do you want us to do next? Slime again,
Or
Play-Doh.
or showing you my Shopkins. We could do a fan haul. We can do anything. We can tell you who JoJo is. We can write down notes. You've got to guess what we wrote. We can do film, TV shows, film shows, whatever you want us to do.
Yeah.
Comment down below and tell us.
Comment down below and tell.
So that's really good. Mine looks still
no.
white. If you keep adding in
No,
that lovely texture.
now
Oh, there's soap in here. Calvin, you need to add a little soap. You need to add a little soap.
I'll put some paper inside here. Courtney, put some paper inside here. I'll put some paper inside here.
Why?
Because know what page you are on.
Thank you.
That's what my teacher do. But it's 3 do's.
That's what my teacher does. Gets a post-it note and puts it there. Calvin!
Oh,
Miss Jordan that part. I don't care. I did it all my life.
move, corner, you jump off.
Now I need to clean that because of you. Get off! Calvin!
Don't push me off. No!
Get off!
I'll get off this!
Oh.
If you move.
Oh. No, Calvin, I need some more stuff now.
Round the face!
Okay, my stupid spider. I think something went down your bed. I don't know what it is. It's my spider. My red spider.
Ouch!
I pranked someone at school yesterday. I pranked someone at school on Friday. So I done. I got glue. Cal, guess what I done at school? On Friday, I got some glue and said I mixed it up until it was all liquid. And I said, and I put green in it, right? And I said, ew, someone's boogers, Shay's boogers. And they was like, oh, and I was like, oh, well, Shay's booger Stephen.
Get me up!
Shay's booger Stephen. Do you know who Big Stephen is?
No.
Big Stephen's in our class. Big Stephen's in our class.
Move out the way. Give me my boogies. Buggies. No!
Get off! You
I'm
keep going up.
thinking.
You keep going up and down, up and down.
Courtney, help.
Calvin, you need to do your slime.
Courtney, move.
Or your slime will flop. Calvin, you're not meant to keep it there for long. That's not how you do it. Oh my god. 1, you do something. 2, you do second thing. 3, you go.
Boogie, 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 like a boogie, baby. I need to close mine now. I need to close my hand. I need to do this. I need to do this.
You flopped it, Cat. You failed it, Calvin.
Yeah.
You've done it properly, Calvin. Do you know why? You're meant to leave it there, but I'm not gonna leave mine there because do you know what? I'm making mine squishy. School.
I'm trying to make a little ball.
Slime. That's slime. Slime is like slime. It's just weird. This different timetables. I know this quick. To bake. Calvin, we should play that one a baking game.
I'm under baby.
Baby! No, Calvin, we're not going to play that game actually.
Goo
We're making slime. Calvin, just play a game properly.
I need that one too.
Ah!
There's another one in here, look.
Oh, can I have that one? Thank you, I'm having this purple one. I'm having this Dynasty one. So I'm going to recently make... I'm making a donut out of this. Okay, we've got to make something out of this now. We've got to draw something and try to make it.
But we have no sprinkles.
You're the one way flipping child. I can't reach. Okay, I'll give it to you. I can't reach. I'm just joking. Oh, I can't. Oh. I can't reach. I can't reach. Oh.
What? Back into my hand.
I can't reach. Your butt is sinking. Your butt is sinking. Do that again. Your butt is sinking. Oh, oh God. That was cool. If I could find
Throw it up again.
Oh God, it's gone right down the bed. Oh, you have to go under the bed, boys. And you have to get your... and you have to get your... Calvin! I broke my butt cheek! I have broke my butt cheek! Oh, it's so sore. Oh, my butt. Ow. Oh, ow. Stop it. Get your butt out of my way. I need a pillow. I'll do it. Ow. I need a pillow to sit on. I need a pillow. Go up now, or I oh, that is hilarious. We've got to post that on YouTube. Pass me! Oh, you just stopped your nose. What's it? I put it up here. It broke! Oh, that is what? What broke? What broke? What broke, sis? You're a girl now.
I'm going to say what I'm doing.
That is hilarious. What I just said. I said my brother's a girl. My brother's a girl. My butt cheek is hurting still. I'll smack your butt cheek. You better move or I smack it.
I'm sitting here.
No, Calvin!
No.
Oh!
No.
Ow! My butt cheek is killing me.
No.
No! 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 Here, guys, a middle finger. Sorry if I'm swearing at you. I am swearing. I'm swearing in China. I'm swearing in China. Oh, I just swear. I just swear in India by farting. I just.
Hi. I need to jump off.
No, don't. Bye bye.